You guys, welcome back. I recently went on a camping trip with my family and my uncle made crispy fried bananas. They were so aromatic and delicious. Let me tell you, he made a ginormous batch, but it was all gone quickly. Traditionally, this recipe calls for a variety of bananas called namwa, but today I'm using plantains, which are just as good. You want to get ripe ones, a little soft to touch, so it's sweet and not starchy. These ones are a bit underripe. You can see a bit of green here, so definitely choose riper ones. Let's cut them into slices with this thickness here. Be careful not to cut yourself. You can do this by cutting off a bit here to create a sturdy base for cutting like this. There are several veggie and fruit batters that you can buy at your local Asian grocery store. I'm using Kruawangthip Brand today. For more character, add some sugar, salt, black or white sesame seeds, coconut milk, and water. On medium heat, heat up vegetable oil, enough to allow the plantains to float in. Use a wooden skewer to test if the oil is ready for frying. If it bubbles like this, it's ready. Coat the plantain slices in the batter well, and into the oil it goes. Try not to overcrowd, otherwise they'll all clump up and stick to each other. When they've developed a deep color like this, they're ready. Scoop any loose bits out from the oil between batches to prevent a burnt taste. Here we have it, fried bananas, in this case plantains. They're fragrant from the coconut milk and sesame seeds, crispy batter with a soft and sweet filling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.